Hello everyone, Akash here. This is all new Jamaican black castor hair oil for hair treatment. If you're recently seeing your hair is breaking or falling off, this video is for you. And by the way, I'll be giving out two of these end of the video, so stay tuned for that. How could you get it? If you're first time in my channel and you need help one-on-one with your hair situation, you could send me your hair picture. You could reach me through my email address or Instagram. Both you'll find in description box. Main reason you're going to use this Jamaican black castor oil for blood flow on your scalp. Most of the time people ask me how they could improve their blood flow on your scalp. It's very important. If you're not getting enough blood flow on your scalp, there's no way you could regrow your hair. And lots of people, they use derma roller for blood flow on your scalp. That works, but most common issue people have using derma roller, but every time they use it, right, the blood flow on their scalp, but sometimes they press it too hard and they get rash, or maybe their skin coming out. That's why a lot of people, they tell me that they're not sure how to use it properly and they're having issue with their skin. So this is why, if you're in that person, also you have to use the derma roller for 10 minutes. So every day trying to use 10 minutes, that could be a hard job for anybody. Castor oil, this is gonna do the blood flow on your scalp. This is not only castor oil, it has like 6 different oil mixed in it. This castor oil gonna do the job for derma roller. So you don't have to use 10 minutes. You could just use this overnight and that will help you your blood flow on your scalp. If you look at the instruction on this, you have to use 60 days to see a significant difference to your hair roots. Because if you get enough blood flow on your scalp, your hair roots gonna get better, stronger. And when your hair root gets stronger, you know what happened? You get thicker and fuller hair. This is what you need. If you're using derma roller and if it's working for you, then continue using it. And you're not sure how to use derma roller, you could check out my channel playlist. All hair growth product is there in detailed video how to properly use derma roller. So this Jamaican castor oil has like 6 different ingredients. Like it has black castor oil, garlic oil, onion oil, tea tree oil, biotin, all those ingredients together. So shake it well before you use it. And I would say recommend use it overnight. Reason, the thing is, in my channel, if you're following for a long time, Moroccan oil had really good impact with people. They love that product. Everybody I know that use Moroccan oil, they had a really good result, but that is very expensive. That's like $45 for that Moroccan oil. This is only 15 bucks. I'll put the link in description box, or if you're in a different country, look for your local online store. You might find it, and I'm giving away 2 of this end of the video. This has a really strong smell, so basically I would recommend use it overnight. In the morning you wash it with cold water, or you wanted to use natural shampoo, perfectly fine too. You could find some natural shampoo on my channel playlist, detailed video, you could check it out. Reason I'm not saying it to use it in daytime, because you don't want to put this on and go out, because it has a really strong smell to it. Reason I feel like this is gonna work really well, because it has also garlic and onion mixed in it. This is why it has a really strong smell. You don't want to put it on daytime and going outside and it's gonna smell it all over you. So use it overnight at least 3 times a week. For next 60 days, you're gonna see a significant difference to your hair roots, and which gonna lead you to have a thicker and fuller hair. When you're washing your hair in the morning, I would definitely recommend get the caffeine shampoo. It's called Alpicin. A lot of people having really good result with this. You could check out in my channel playlist, detailed video about it. And many people has a really good hair growth using this shampoo. It has a perfect amount of caffeine in it to give your hair root the boost. Basically overnight you're putting this and giving the blood circulation to your hair root, and in the morning when you're washing your hair, it's giving you extra caffeine boost to your hair roots. You know what's gonna happen? You're going to see your hair going to grow a lot faster and thicker and fuller. Some people always ask me, they lost their hair more than 3 years ago. Can they regrow their hair? Everybody's hair situation is different. If your hair roots no longer there, there's highly unlikely you will get your hair back, no matter what you use. One way to find out if your hair roots is still there, if you use this overnight next 60 days and you see some baby hair coming out through your hair roots, then you know your hair roots is still there. If you don't see any hair roots coming out, any baby hair coming out, that means your hair roots is no longer there. And that point, doesn't matter what people tell you, you're not going to get any hair back, because your hair roots completely closed. So this is why I always tell people, you start as early as possible. So this way your hair root is still there, and you could give just right amount of blood circulation and give enough boost into your hair roots, and you will get your hair back. It's a long process. It doesn't happen overnight, but you have to have your hair roots. If you don't have it there, then highly unlikely you're gonna grow back your hair. Remember, in North America, I will personally ship it to you. Just email me, or you could just reach me through Instagram. I will definitely ship it to you if you are in North America. If you are in New York metro area, you could just pick it up. Just email me or reach me through Instagram. You'll find the link in description box. Hope this video was helpful to you. Many great videos you'll find in my channel. Consider subscribe to my channel. Take care.